This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Working under the passenger's side of the fascia, slide the retaining clips together and remove the access cover. Slide the pollen filter element from the housing. Detach the filter element from the frame, noting the airflow arrows along the edge of the element. Insert the new element into the frame with the airflow arrows as previously noted. The arrows must point towards the driver's side. Slide the element and frame into the housing. Refit the access cover and slide the clips apart to secure it.